Hello class, I am Mr. Henry, and you will call me Sir and only Sir. Today we will be learning about first inversion, second inversion, and third inversion, and figured bass. First, we will learn about first inversions. How to do in first inversion? You have a note, a triad, C, E, G. Now you want to invert it? You take the root note and bring it up to the top. So now you have E, G, C. Here's an example. Do you understand? I don't care. Now we will do second inversions. So you can only do a second inversion after a first inversion. So a first inversion will be E, G, and C. You want to invert it a second time, you take the root note, which is the E, and up to the top, like that. Now you have G, C, and E. Second inversion, right there. Example. First inversion, E, G, C. Second inversion, G, C, E. Now we will do figured bass. So, figured bass for the key of C, and you have the C triad, which is C, E, G, but you've inverted it once, so now it is E, G, C. And how you'd write that is I, because C is the first note of the C major scale, C triad, and then you're going to write 6 because C is a sixth away from E, and you're going to write a 3 under that because G is a third from E. So it's going to look like this. I, 6, 3. Here is what it looks like. Now, to write it for a second inversion, your chord is going to be a G, C, E. E is a sixth from G, and C is a fourth from G. So you're going to write that I, because C triad is the first of a C key. You're going to write I, 6, because it's a sixth from the top note to the bottom, and a fourth from the middle note to the bottom. Here is what it looks like. Now we will talk about first, second, and third inversion in V7 chords. So for the first inversion, you have your root, your bass chord, 1, 3, 5, 7. You want to invert that once, the bottom note to the top. So now you're going to have a 3, 5, 7, 1 chord. Here is what a first inversion of a V7 chord looks like. Now, for the second inversion, you have your first inverted chord, which is a 3, 5, 7, 1. And now, to invert it a second time, take the bottom note, which is a 3, up to the top. Now you have a 5, 7, 1, 3 chord. Here is what that looks like. Finally, you have your third inversion. So you have your second inverted chord, which is a 5, 7, 1, 3. Now, you want to invert that a third time. Take the bottom note, the 5, up to the top. Now you got a 7, 1, 3, 5. That is third inversion for V7 chords. Here's an example. That is the lesson plan for today, class. Now you may go on your phones. If you learned something, great. If you don't learn anything, doesn't matter. I get paid either way. Bye, class.